Sleep properly.
Now my turn.
What the hell you are doing? What the hell you are
This
doing?
is not your turn. Oh my God! Please forgive me, my God. My God, please take me.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I will ask you a question. Why one? Why you born? Why? This is tough. Yes.
Actually, why I born? Why you born?
Why one?
Why I born? Actually, I born to rule. No,
Where you need a Mystic Falls or New Orleans?
I don't need a.
Yeah,
any
like
place.
that. Close my cousin.
I want to rule somewhere where only few people are there. It will be easy for me.
Yeah.
No, actually, you guys need a guidance. You need a alpha. So I'm the alpha for you guys. You don't need to worry.
And I am the side alpha.
Okay.
You are the-
Alpha and
I'm
beta.
the joke.
You
guys
will
are
be my right hand.
You guys are alpha.
And you are left.
Yes.
You left right.
You'll be my right hand. No?
And you-
Okay.
Music.
Ready? It's enough.
Okay, it's enough.
Wait a minute.
Okay. What's
Nadeem.
and
Yeah, I will ask to Nadeem.
What is your future plan?
My future plan. I will buy three.
रोशन नहीं है रोशन को फोन कर रहा है रोशन यहाँ
You go outside and
Don't disturb me, okay?
Otherwise,
My
I will.
future plan. Listen.
Yes,
Here is talking. He is talking about future, and he
He's not letting me answer.
He was so serious and I was liking it.
Okay.
First of all, I will buy a three-wheeler Toto. From where you will get money for buy?
Yeah.
Yes.
That is the question.
हाँ ये समस्या है रे क्या बोलने का
Yes. Network marketing.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा
I will
You also
make.
need money for
Yes.
network.
Yeah, you have to
No,
put some money.
you have to. That's why I am opening my what to say.
What to say?
What to say that?
Babaji.
No.
Talk. Why you are like?
We are not playing.
A few moments later
You what will say that?
What?
Tell him.
You will say no.
Yes.
money
No.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
money
You want to
laundering
speak in Hindi? Speak.
No. My when you say
biryani
no,
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकल
my cards.
What?
I'm not understanding. King.
We are not getting you.
You will, that's why. That,
So again, I got this opportunity to kick another ass.
I'm doing some work, so put like this. Roshan, yes. Put like this. You have very big hands. Put it down. Ready?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very training
How I will get money? I'm saying a plan.
Okay, plan.
I will make you join. Him join.
but I
I will
don't
not but I will not join you. You are coming in between. See. Okay. I will not join you. Then what you will do? I will give you some money. From where you will get money?
I will take money from him and then I will give
He
you.
will not give you.
I will not giving you.
You will not give me?
He doesn't have money.
I have no money.
Then what you will? You are in trouble.
Then,
Now you're in trap.
Yes.
then I will do rob.
No.
You don't have guts.
Yeah.
I don't have?
No, no.
But-
If someone
If you guys know better than me, then you tell what should I do?
no. If someone will not able to answer, then also they will get kicked.
No, this is not a rule.
Yes. No, this will new rule.
He is good.
Okay, I'm answering, okay?
Okay, answer.
I will be
He asked that what is your future plan?
yes,
Ah,
I'm saying
then-
that only.
Okay, tell in simple word. Okay, we are not understand your tricky word.
Are we guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Again you.
How can I ask questions?
Roshan gonna ask you.
No.
Brother, he's coming in
Please.
between every time.
Oh, sorry.
Please give him space.
Yeah,
He's
What happened?
I'm in trouble.
Okay, continue.
How many liters petrol in your dicky?
Wait, I will.
We don't have that much time.
I'm going to sleep. Whenever you get the question,
Okay,
wake me up.
Give me a kick.
You give me cake, I ask you question.
Yeah. Okay.
He is unable to answer. He is unable to
Don't
answer.
hit, brother.
That's why. He is unable to ask. That's why he is doing He changed his mind. You're taking too much time.
Yes.
People are getting bored.
Focus on like this.
Don't beat me.
You can see this.
Yeah.
Good.
This was good. This was good. You ask him. I already asked him. You ask him.
Okay.
Arshad, you ask.
He's coming in between every time, brother. See.
Why you are just making his deep him?
Yes. What you?
What did you say? Deep him. Okay.
I want to ask you a question.
We will give you
Chance.
Yeah.
phone is off, brother.
What kind of
Maybe
phone
you
you
should
have?
go
Brother?
back.
What kind of phone you have? I will broke your phone.
You will broke.
I will break your phone. I will break your phone. Sorry, broke. Broke is a little bit. This is a past tense.
Okay, wait.
How many kgs?
Kgs? What do you want to say?
Ask a stupid question.
Yeah.
Shut up. Okay, I'm gonna ask.
Stop
Okay.
Tell me about
Okay.
your first day in college.
Yeah, foolish question.
I'm gonna ask.
Yes.
Okay.
Ask something interesting.
Yeah.
Yes.
Imagine you are like, who is your favorite actress? Tell me.
Actor.
Actress.
Actress. What? That.
I am not actress.
Bagi Kapoor.
Disha Patani.
No.
Shraddha Kapoor.
Shraddha Kapoor. Okay. Sada.
So imagine you are going for a date to Shraddha Kapoor.
I'm not going.
I don't have that's why I said that imagine what was.
Yeah.
Okay. So where you are gonna take to her in Siliguri and what will you do whole evening?
Where I should take her?
Yeah, in Siliguri.
In Siliguri.
Fair.
Good question. Brother. Oh, brother. The best place. And yes, the best place. Suresan Park. You know where Suresan Park is?
Yeah, everybody knows.
Yes.
10 rupees entry
And what
fees.
should I do?
Only
Yeah,
What will I
after
do?
that, what are you going to do?
I will buy 10 rupees to
Popcorn.
potato.
No, you are making it funny. You don't make it funny.
Okay,
in serious note, yeah, he will got a chance to take Shraddha Kapoor to a date. I don't think so. You will go to
this is serious
Wilson Park.
part. I will take her to Sky Hotel. You know.
Yeah.
We understand. We understood. I will do some romantic chats. You know.
Like what?
So I have not.
Yeah, you're supposed to.
Yes, he can imagine. He can.
Okay, I am also Shraddha Kapoor.
How?
You told me to. Yeah, coming on date. How can you touch me?
Girlfriends.
Yeah, I
You are not my
on date.
girlfriend.
Don't touch
First
me.
date you will on first date you will touch.
You will like this.
How will you touch? You touch the king. Why you touch?
I will not kick him.
No.
Yeah.
It's not.
No,
Okay. He said in Hindi, girl.
Okay.
Then
Put that hand. No, grab that hand.
Little upper side.
grab this. Again he said.
Pick him up.
He also.
My phone is here.
He also said.
Sleep properly. Now my turn. What the hell you are doing? What the hell you are
This
doing?
is not your turn. Oh my God! Please forgive me, my God. My God, please take me.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
Guys, we have another person in this game. Meet Asfar. So he is also joining. Okay, sit.
Say something about you.
Yeah, I'm Asfar. Nothing I want to say.
Let's get started. What a lucky man! He just entered in the game and he just got the chance to answer the question. Who gonna ask you? No.
You will ask.
I will ask him.
What I said. Who gonna ask you?
Who gonna ask? If you will
Not
say
Who
this,
gonna ask
facing
him?
him. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Asfar,
We will hide.
so how many girlfriend you had? Don't. These are very small.
Yeah,
okay. Just
Answering
ask something. He can't explain. Which an explanation question.
3 girlfriends.
Explain. No. Okay, tell me about your worst date. Okay, worst date. Have you been in date?
Yeah.
You date? No. So worst date. Which one is the worst date? And you have to explain what happened in that date. Worst date. That means that only.
What was worst in it?
Right. Yeah. But go back a little bit. You can't take too much time.
Yes. Otherwise,
You remember your worst date?
When I'm with someone, the worst date was her birthday. She was drunk.
I can feel you.
She was drunk. What should I say? I don't want to say anything after that.
You have to speak. You have to speak. No. That's the thing. You have to speak.
is she still drunk right now? No. Say after that.
Yes. And you don't know if you won't able to answer, we will get a kick again. Yeah.
Yes.
She was doing something with another guy.
She was
Doing something with another guy. I'm not explaining.
Explain. Okay. Don't explain.
And you are watching?
You have given him punch or her?
Him or
like that. Yeah, it's okay.
I don't know this about the rules and regulations. I'm new one. Then you say. Yes, sir, you can say. No, I don't say. No, I have said. You have to say. I didn't say.
This is not. If he will not, then we will kill.
Grab him. What do you say?
What do you think? You are his my brother, leave him. What is not in middle?
Aman?
I will kick your ass. As soon as possible. Please. Aspak, don't do. Please, Aspak. You are my brother, Aspak. Aspak, please, I will die. I will die. God, take me, God. Don't do like this, Aspak. Please, I will die, brother. Brother, please leave me. Why you come that side? Sorry, brother. God, take me. You all are glad.
Hey guys, if you like the video then like करें and comment करके बताएं वीडियो का कौन सा पार्ट आपको बेस्ट लगा है और शेयर करें अपने सारे दोस्तों के साथ एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल बिकॉज हम हमेशा वीडियो के साथ आएंगे नए वीडियो के साथ ओनली ऑन शान की दुनिया सो सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड